Have you seen people dropping pictures in TikTok comments lately? Real images, not stickers, not GIFs. But when you try it, nothing. No camera icon, no photo upload option, just a plain text bar. Let me show you exactly what I mean. On screen, split screen. Left side shows text-only comment bar. Right side shows comment bar with working image icon. That's the broken version most people are stuck with. And that's the working version, with full image comments unlocked. So, what's the difference? Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact method to activate the image comment feature on your TikTok, even if it's currently missing. No third-party apps, no shady tricks, just a few smart steps that work on both Android and iPhone. By the end of this video, you'll know why the feature isn't showing, what you're missing, and how to fix it permanently. Let's dive in. First things first. This method works for both Android and iPhone, so whatever device you're using, follow along step by step. Step 1. Update your TikTok app. Go to the Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone, search for TikTok, and tap Update. Why is this important? Because TikTok is rolling out new features like image comments in waves, and outdated versions won't support it. Step 2. Open TikTok and add a new account. Once you've updated, open the TikTok app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the drop-down arrow at the top. Now select Add Account, and here's where most people go wrong. They try to use their old account to test this feature. Don't do that. You need a new account set up the right way to unlock it. Step 3. Choose Continue with Google. On the next screen, tap Continue with Google. Now pause and look closely below that button. You'll see a small line that says something like, "By continuing, you agree." Country name. If your country shows Nigeria, India, Philippines, or any unsupported region, that's likely why it's not working for you. Step 4. Switch country to Egypt. Here's the fix. Tap the country name and change it to Egypt. Why Egypt? Because TikTok is actively testing and allowing image comment features in specific countries, and Egypt is one of them where this feature consistently works. Step 5. Complete sign up using an unused Google email. Continue with your Google account, but here's the key. Use a fresh Gmail address that's never been used for TikTok before. Complete the sign up process. Enter your birthday. Make sure you're over 18. Choose a nickname. Finalize setup. Now pause again. Step 6. Fully restart TikTok. Before testing the feature, close the app completely. Then reopen TikTok and go to any video's comment section. Now if you followed every step correctly, you'll see it. The camera icon or image upload button next to the comment bar. That's your proof. TikTok photo comments are now unlocked. 3. Mid-video CTA keep viewers engaged. If this is already working for you, or if you're halfway through and learning something new, hit that subscribe button right now. We post simple, real tech fixes like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. So now you know how to fix the picture not showing in TikTok comments issue. You've learned why it happens, how to fix it, and how to unlock the feature fully, step by step. Let me know in the comments. Did this method work for you? What country are you using TikTok from? If you have friends or followers still stuck, share this video with them. It might be exactly the solution they've been searching for. Thanks for watching. Drop a photo in your next TikTok comment and enjoy showing off the feature.